How do you celebrate a paradigm shift in the presence and presentation of one of the most iconic automotive brands ever created? Well, you play to exclusivity. You twist the performance dial to insane. And you make sure everyone within a 3-block radius knows, both visually and audibly, that they're witnessing something truly savage and truly exceptional. That's how we like to imagine the designers of the incredible third-generation ZR1 felt when they started dreaming up what is undoubtedly the greatest front mid-engine Corvette ever produced. Available for 1 year only, this latest and greatest ZR1 is a gnarly, all-American tour de force that literally spits flames on its way to a factory-stated top speed of 212 miles per hour. A top option 3ZR coupe that's totally decked all the way from its 755 horsepower LT5 to its supreme ZTK Track Package. The car is equipped to both steal hearts and steal the show. As a one-owner icon that's logged just 1,354 miles, it's the perfect opportunity for a serious collector to land a serious supercar. With brutal aesthetics, unmatched exclusivity, and world-beating athleticism, this one-owner ZR1 is a hallmark of Chevrolet's century-long dedication to approachable performance. Why not celebrate the glory of one of America's most legendary performers with one of Team Corvette's most memorable offerings? Call, click, or visit rkmotors.com for your opportunity to own one of the most capable Corvettes ever produced.